Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve. One way to organize a paragraph is by listing. This pattern is useful when you need to provide a series of points or examples. Think of it like a list that's part of a paragraph. Each sentence adds another item or idea to the list. For instance, if you're talking about Judy's favorite restaurants, you'd mention each one with some detail, like, first, she loves Italian food. Another favorite is sushi. Notice how each sentence builds on the last, giving the reader more information in a clear, step-by-step manner. Words like first, next, and finally are great signposts for the reader to keep track of where you are in the list. This sample paragraph follows a listing pattern of organization, where multiple points are presented in a clear and orderly sequence. The topic sentence introduces the main idea, Judy's love for restaurants. After that, the paragraph lists 3 specific types of restaurants she enjoys, in order. 1. First, the paragraph mentions her love for fine dining, providing examples of the types of cuisine she enjoys, Italian, French, and Japanese. 2. Next, it adds another category, casual spots, like burger joints or cafes, further expanding on her preferences. 3. Finally, it wraps up with her excitement for trying new restaurants, bringing variety to her experiences. Each type of restaurant is listed step by step, making it easy for the reader to follow the structure and understand Judy's diverse tastes in dining. This type of organization allows for a clear and organized presentation of information,